how to make a YouTube channel on phone. So if all you have is a mobile phone like Android or iPhone, and you want to create a YouTube channel using your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to make a YouTube channel on a phone is you want to have a valid Gmail account. So once you have a Gmail, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. Then once you open the YouTube app, the next thing you want to do here is this. Click on the U button at the bottom right. Then if you already added a YouTube account to your phone or you started using YouTube on the phone, you're going to see interface like this. Then once you click on this U button, come here and click on switch account. Hang on, and here you have access to all the accounts you have added to your YouTube. Then click on the plus icon at top right and hang on. Then see check-in info, verify your identity with your PIN, pattern, Face ID, or fingerprint. Then go ahead and send to the Gmail account you want to use on your YouTube. So once you type in the Gmail account, click on next. Then confirm the Gmail password. Once you confirm the Gmail password, go ahead and click on next again and hang on for your account to be confirmed that the password is correct. Then click on I agree. Once you click on I agree, just hang on for the Gmail account to be added to your Android phone. So then click on not now. Once you are signed in, there you go. Then hang on while the information is checked. Then it should say the Gmail account added to your YouTube just like this. Then this is the new profile picture. That's why you see me. Now, to make a YouTube channel on your phone now, all you just need to is click on this U button. Then once you click on that, here you're going to see your name and then you should see create a channel. You see that? So go ahead and click on create a channel. Once you click on create a channel, then you should see your name, then your handle. First, delete the existing name and give your YouTube channel a name. So I'm going to say then click on save. Now change your photo or take a new photo. So you can just select photo from your phone or use your phone camera. So I'm just going to go ahead, select a photo from my phone. So let's go ahead and do this. Then position it very well. You can also come back again, reselect another photo. So let's say I want to use this one. Then position it very well. Then click on save as profile picture. Now you need to create your YouTube handle. So let's say I just want to create my YouTube handle as this. Then if the YouTube handle is available, then it should say available. Otherwise, you say it's not available. Then you can see it is not available. Then once it's available, click on save at the top right. Then click on create channel. So this is how your YouTube channel is going to appear on YouTube. Now to create the channel, just go ahead and click on create channel and then hang on. Hang on while the channel is created. And once your channel is created, you see channel created. Then if you click on the U button again, you'll be taken to your YouTube channel. If you feel that, then you're going to see your new YouTube channel. Now, you can just go ahead, upload your first video if you have any. So in this case, create content on any device, upload and record at home or on the go. Everything you make public will appear here. Then let's go ahead and upload the short by clicking on the plus button. Then click on add. Then I'm going to select the video I want to add. Let's say this video, click on next. So this is it, done. So you just need to hang on for this particular video to process. Just the way you upload shorts, you can upload your normal YouTube video to monetized. But this is for the purpose of this video. Once you created or made your YouTube channel on your mobile, then you can just go ahead, start uploading your video. And then once you have uploaded the video, click on check. Then this is it. Click on next. Now go ahead and add your caption. So I'm just going to say a cat goes to school. bullied. So you can use hashtag. So just go ahead, use hashtag of your choice. So I just add up to 3 hashtags. Then if you click on this pencil, you will be able to choose your YouTube short thumbnail. So I'll just go ahead, select your favorite YouTube short thumbnail like this, and then click on check mark. Then once you click on check mark, then come down here as well. You should see visibility. Under visibility, click on that and make sure this visibility is set to public. If it is set to unlisted, if you publish this will not be sent public. It will only be sent to those that are subscribed to your YouTube channel. And if you set this to private, only people you choose can view it. So you can only send this to people you selected while publishing. Then if you choose schedule, that shows you want to set a particular time to publish the video. So just go ahead, click on publish now, and then select public. Then come back again, select location. If you want to add a particular location, just go ahead and search for the location you want to add. Let's say United States. Then go ahead, select it. Then you should see the location set to United States. You see that? Now you can also select audience. So this is compulsory if you are publishing your YouTube video. So you want to select the audience, whether it is made for kids or it is not made for kids. So if it is not made for kids, check this. And in most cases, most of the videos you made on YouTube should be set to not made for kids. Then if you go to age restrictions, you want to choose no, don't restrict my video to viewer over 18. So if you selected restrict my videos to viewer over 18, your YouTube video will only be shown to viewers under 18. That shows your YouTube is made for kids. So set this to not made for kids and choose no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. Then hit the back button. Now here, if you're using mobile, since you're using mobile, then you're going to see related videos. You can just go ahead, add related videos to it. You can see one-time verification needed, use video verification, use your valid ID, or use build channel history. So you need to have at least 2 months channel history before you can add related videos on mobile. So just hit the back button, or better still, if you choose to use the related video, you can just use video verification. So this is just a day, and this is going to last for about 30 seconds video. So hit the back button. Now the next thing here is this audio, that is allow video and audio remixing. You don't need that. Then if this video is paid content, here you need to label the video as a paid content. So does this video include paid promotion? If yes, click on yes. If no, click on no. Now come back. Then altered content. So if you had AI footage to the video, that is altered content, or you generated AI video and then uploaded to your channel, you want to choose do you do any of these following describe your content, make a report and appear to say or do something, alter footage of real events or places, generate realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. Of course, yes. So this is AI altered content. Then hit the back button. Then once you're done, want to come to comment as well. Then turn on comment if comment is turned off, and then comment moderation. You may use this to basic, strict, and hold all comments. So in most cases, there is no need to hold comment except for potential inappropriate comment. That's why you say basic. Then hit the back button, and then again go ahead and publish your first video on YouTube. Click on upload video or upload short, and then hang on. Then you should see uploading your video now. So if you click on see video, then you should see the video is uploading. See that? So and this is about 3%, and it's going to take about 3 minutes to upload the video. So if you come back later to check this video, then you're going to see the video on my YouTube channel. You see that? So once this video is uploaded, the video is going to be available for the public. So that is basically how to make a YouTube channel on your phone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.